welcome in our English lecture. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 4, nouns and numbers. Now students, in the parts of speech, before that you learn about the noun, what is called the noun. So which are the naming words, that is called the noun. Now about that number, how we are writing them. If they are singular and plural, so how to form that singular form and plural form, that we are going to learn in this today's lecture. A noun is said to be plural if it refers to more than one person or thing. A noun is said to be singular if it refers to the one person or one thing. मतलब अगर आपके पास एक पेंसिल है तो हम बोलते हैं पेंसिल. But if there are more than one, so we are saying that pencils. So bird is the singular, toy is the singular, pencil is the singular, photo, lake, river, bike. So these all are the singular noun. And birds, toys, pencils, horses, kites, ears, windows, means in this noun we added their yes to making their noun plural. So here the boys are shouting, it is a plural noun, and here the girl is, now here it is a singular noun. So only countable nouns can have a plural form. मतलब जो प्लूरल फॉर्म होता है वो किसका होता है, काउंटेबल नाउन का होता है. विच थिंग्स वी कैन काउंट इन द नंबर, सो दैट ओनली वी आर राइटिंग इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म. जो चीज़ें हमें गिनने के लिए आती है उसे ही क्या करते हैं, हम प्लूरल बना सकते हैं. नाउ हियर वन रूल इज दैट व्हेन वी चेंज a singular noun to a plural noun, we generally add yes or es as a suffix to the noun. मतलब students यहाँ पे examples दिए हुए हैं. You can see here that here book is the singular noun, but while making that plural we added here yes, books. Then if here tree, here it is trees. Okay, so in this way, for making their form plural, we are adding yes and es. In this example here we saw that if there is bench, so for making that plural we added here benches, means we added the es. Okay, so note that when we are ending a noun sound, hissing sound means s, double s, ch, sh and x, so add es to the singular form. मतलब जब भी हम कोई वर्ड प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो वो प्रोनाउंस करते समय अगर हिसिंग साउंड आता है, मीन्स लाइक ऐसे, बेंचेस, क्लास, फॉक्स, ग्लास. सो लास्ट, how I am pronouncing that hissing sound. So with that noun we are adding the es. Now in the most nouns ending in the f or fe, from their plural by changing a f or fe into the ves. For example, leaf, okay, leaf. So while making that change in the plural form, we are removing that f and we are adding their ves. मतलब जब लास्ट में यफ होता है या यफी होता है, you can see here life, fe, so here lives, we are adding their ves. अगर f या fe है तो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, लास्ट में ves ऐड करते हैं. Then if however some nouns ending with the form f from their plural in the normal way, proof, proofs, draft, drafts, hoof, hoofs, roof, roofs and chip, chips. मतलब आप कहेंगे कि लास्ट में अगर आप यफ और यफी है तो हम उसका ves करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ एक ऐसे ऑप्शनल नाउन्स है कि जिसमें f का क्या हो जाता है, f ही रह जाता है. Most noun ending in a o form their plural by adding es to the singular, means if at last there is a o P-O-T-A-T-O. So with that O sound we are adding there ES. यहाँ पे भी हम क्या करते हैं, एंड में ES लगाते हैं. पोटैटो पोटैटोज, टोमेटो टोमेटोज, हीरो हीरोज, मैंगो मैंगोज, मॉस्किटो मॉस्किटोज, torpedo torpedoes. So in this way, but sometimes here are also some exceptionals that nouns with that we are not adding the es. तो ऐसे जो nouns है वो आपको याद रखने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पियानो पियानोज, स्टेरियो स्टेरियो, स्टूडियो स्टूडियोज, फोटो फोटोज. लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर हम उसका प्लूरल बनाते हैं तो सिर्फ क्या करते हैं, यस ही ऐड करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट ऑल द पॉइंट्स. सेकेंड रूल, इफ अ नाउन एंड्स विथ a y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing the y into es. मतलब जिस नाउन में लास्ट में y है उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, लास्ट का y हटाकर वहाँ पे IES लिखते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर वी टेक द सिटी cities, CITIES. Okay, then in the family families, country countries, reply replies, diary diaries, story stories. In this way we can form the sentences with adding the suffixes like a IES. However, if the noun ends with a vowel plus y, its plural is formed by adding yes to it. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल स्टोरी, मतलब लास्ट का जो साउंड है वो वॉवेल है. यहाँ पे उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है कि स्टोरीज़, तो स्टोरीज़ में लास्ट में क्या है, ई है, मतलब ई इज़ अ वॉवेल. सो इफ देयर इज ई, सो वी आर नॉट एडिंग देयर IES, ओनली वी आर एडिंग देयर यस. अगर लास्ट में वॉवेल है तो उसमें क्या नहीं करते हम, YES ऐड नहीं करते, सिर्फ यस या ES ऐड करते हैं. सो सम नाउन्स देयर प्लूरल बाय चेंजिंग द इनसाइड वॉवेल और वॉवेल्स ऑफ द सिंगुलर फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गोज, geese, loves, lies, man, men, then tooth, teeth, foot, fit, woman, women. So like this we can use in the sentences. Then however, ox, oxen, child, children, mongoose, mongooses, specimen, specimens are expressions. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं कि लास्ट में अगर वॉवेल साउंड भी है तो भी उसमें क्या करते हैं, यस ई हम ऐड करते हैं. नाउ इफ अ नाउन कंसिस्ट of several words like a compound words, that yes is added to the main word. For example, son-in-law, so here will be son-in-law, sons-in-law, maid-servant, maid-servants, commander, commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Okay, now you must remember that the plural of man-servant is the main-servant. Man is the singular and main is the plural form. That's why we are writing their main-servants. Now, the plural of child is the children and the plural of ox is a oxen. Now, scissors, spectacles, shorts, trouser, clothes which are stitched, always we are using in the plural form. For example, her spectacles are new. Okay, so spectacle is the plural form. Shorts, it is also plural, that's why here we use a plural verb like a are. Then mathematics, news, politics, these are innings appear to be a plural but they are used as a singular noun. मतलब इसमें लास्ट में ई है लेकिन ये क्या है, सिंगुलर नाउन है. देन सम नाउन्स हैव द सेम प्लूरल एंड सिंगुलर फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउन्स लाइक अ सीनरी, फर्नीचर, इंफॉर्मेशन, एडवाइस, एयरक्राफ्ट आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन द सिंगुलर फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फर्नीचर इज, the scenery is, all the information is I saw two aircraft in the sky. So these nouns always we are using in the singular form. Then cattle and people appear to be singular nouns but they are used as a प्लूरल नाउन्स. मतलब कैटल और पीपल जो है वो क्या करते हैं, हमेशा दिखने में दिखते हैं सिंगुलर लेकिन वो क्या है प्लूरल फॉर्म में होते हैं, इसलिए वो हमेशा क्या किए जाते हैं, उसके साथ प्लूरल वर्ब भी लिखा जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट रूल इज दैट figures and letters are changed to plural form by adding yes, means for example 4s and add 2s to the 3 4s to find the total. जो फिगर नंबर होते हैं उसका अगर हमें प्लूरल करना है तो उसमें क्या किया जाता है, सिर्फ यस ऐड किया जाता है. देन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स लाइक लव, anger, beauty are not countable and have no plural form. Names of the materials or substances like a copper, iron, wood, stone, paper. So these are known as the material noun or not. These are not countable. They are used only in the singular form. तो उसे हमेशा क्या किया जाता है, सिंगुलर फॉर्म में यूज़ किया जाता है मटेरियल नाउन को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गोल्ड इज प्रीशियस, पेपर इज मेड फ्रॉम ट्री, wood is expensive these days. So these all the material nouns we used as a singular. Then deer, sheep, fish, dozen, score have the same form as a singular or plural noun. For example, the sheep is grazing in the meadow. Okay, the tiger are several sheep. Then the shopkeeper sold 5 dozen eggs. Now here dozen, we can also say dozens of sheets were wasted, scores of pears were plucked from the trees and kept in the basket. So in this case fish, we may use the fishes also. Fish indicates a single variety where fishes suggest a different varieties. मतलब fish ये क्या है, सिंगुलर फॉर्म है लेकिन फिशेस अगर लेते हैं तो अलग अलग वैरायटी बताती है. द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रूट कैन बी बोथ फ्रूट और फ्रूट्स. देन विद द नाउन्स एंडिंग विथ इज in the singular form we change it to es in the plural. Then some nouns that end with on as a singulars end in as a plurals. For example, phenomenon, criteria. So that phenomenon is the plural and phenomena is the singular and phenomena is the plural form. Then creation, it is singular, criteria is the plural form. Okay, now cactus is the singular noun, cacti is the plural noun. Stimulus, it is added with yes but we are feeling that it is plural but it is singular form, and stimuli is the plural. Antenna is the singular and antennae is the plural form. Now about this all the points here they given the exercise. So from that exercise two examples we will see students, because already we solved that exercise in the our daily lectures. Now first is that given goes, there will be geese. Okay, then next it is furniture. फर्नीचर, क्योंकि फर्नीचर का क्या नहीं होता है, चेंज नहीं होता है. देन मैन सर्वेंट, मेन सर्वेंट्स, सिस्टर इन लॉ, सिस्टर्स इन लॉ, एयरक्राफ्ट, एयरक्राफ्ट, डियर, डियर, कैटल, cattle. So these some plural forms. These nouns are not changing in the plural form also. Now read the following sentences and change the nouns printed in the bold to their plural forms. So make any other changes if required. The lady told the child in an interesting tale. अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है कि जहाँ पे singular, read the following sentence and change the nouns printed in the bold to their plural forms. Child का क्या होगा? Children. The lady told the tale. The lady told the children an interesting tales. Then second, Jagan's answer was not correct. Now Jagan's answers were not correct. The old house is made of the stone. The old houses are made of stones. The knife is quite sharp. These knives, Knives, are quite sharp. So in this way we can apply our knowledge in our daily lives. In the question number C, here they given, read the following sentences and change the nouns printed in the bold into singular form. Make any changes if required. The war heroes were given a standing ओवेशन. अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, जो प्लूरल दिया हुआ है उसका सिंगुलर करना है. द वॉर हीरो वॉज गिवन अ स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन. मैथमेटिक रिक्वायर्स मच प्रैक्टिस. देयर इज डजन ऑफ एग kept in the basket. Then the daughter-in-law prepared a dinner for the guest. Then in the question number D, they given that use the correct word from the brackets to fill in the blanks. First, the news is. Then the police are chasing the thieves. The scissors is. The trouser is, because these we are using as a singular form. Then fill in the blanks with the plural form of nouns given in the bracket. All the girls received their new dresses for the function. There are many metropolitan cities, cities, in the India. Now here they given the puzzle that we solve in our daily lecture. Already we solved that exercise. So I hope students you understood all the points of that singular and plural form.